Updating supplier attestations. The State of Tennessee Department of General Services Central Procurement Office is pleased to present this supplier training knowledge burst. As part of a series of learning modules, it is designed to provide instruction to both current and potential suppliers on how to conduct business with the state of Tennessee. Please use Mozilla Firefox or Edge as your web browser when accessing the Edison Supplier portal. Errors have been reported when using other browsers. The purpose of this knowledge burst is to instruct suppliers on how to complete and submit the attestation form to the contract administrator. The requirements of Tennessee Code Annotated. Section 123309 address the use of illegal immigrants in the performance of any contract to supply goods or services to the state of Tennessee. Suppliers must attest, in writing, semi-annually, that they and their subcontractors are not knowingly utilizing illegal immigrants in the performance of the contract. This attestation should be submitted to the contract administrator. All supplier attestation forms should be maintained by the supplier and made available to state officials upon request. The supplier will also maintain records for all personnel employed in the performance of the contract with the state of Tennessee showing their employees are eligible to work in the U.S. The supplier's records are subjected to review and random inspection at any time as long as a reasonable notice is given by the state of Tennessee. The supplier attests in writing at the time a bid is submitted and must do so again approximately every 6 months thereafter. The supplier will receive attestation notification reminders via email from Edison. The email contains a link to the supplier information page on the CPO's website. The form called Attestation regarding personnel used in contract performance can be found on this page. After the supplier has completed the form and signed it, the form is submitted by emailing the form to the contract administrator. The supplier may sign one attestation for multiple contracts, however, the attestation should be submitted to each contract administrator. In the next several slides you will learn how to navigate to the attestation form. Open the Edison homepage. Click the Supplier Portal homepage link to be taken to the supplier community. Use the bar to scroll down to see additional links below. Click the Supplier Community link to be taken to the Supplier Information page. This page contains pertinent information for suppliers. Scroll down to find the attestation regarding personnel used in contract performance form. Click the Attestation regarding personnel used in contract performance form link. Section 1 Enter your company name and your company mailing address. Enter the contract number and the buyer's name. In Section 2 you will enter your Edison vendor ID number, the company contact name of the person who can provide information about the contract. The telephone number of the contact will be listed in the company email address. In Section 3 the affirmation is completed, the contractor acknowledges by signature that all information stated above is true and accurate and is no way misleading. The authorized signature or principal or an officer of the company will sign assuring that you are empowered to contractually bind the contractor. In summary, remember, by signing the attestation form the contractor does hereby attest, certify, warrant, and assure that the contractor shall not knowingly utilize the services of an illegal immigrant in the performance of this contract. And they shall not knowingly utilize the services of any subcontractor who will utilize the services of an illegal immigrant in the performance of this contract. Thank you for viewing this knowledge burst presented by the State of Tennessee Department of General Services Central Procurement Office. Please view additional knowledge bursts located on the General Services webpage, hover over the Procurement tab, and select Supplier Information.